Hi dear students, this is Vetri. Today we are going to see about infix to postfix conversion using stack. See here we have the algorithm. The first step of algorithm is we have to read the given instruction, given expression from left hand side to right hand side. For example, A plus B star C. So here is a given infix expression. Okay. So you have to read the expression from left hand side to right hand side. Now, if incoming character is operand, see, let's find out what is operand and what is operator. See here, A, B, C. These three are operands. Okay, alphabets. Alphabets are operand, and then operators. Actually, what is operator? Plus, minus, star, slash. These are the operators we are having. Okay. So if the incoming character is operand, directly we can place it into output. Now we need to process in stack. And if the incoming character is operator, so first step we have to push it into stack, and then we have to compare. If the stack is empty, no need to compare. But if the stack has already some operator, means we have to check with the priority. If priority means if it is having a low priority, then we have to move it into output. So when we are trying to do an example, I will explain you clearly. Okay. Then if the incoming character is open bracket, see, if we are having a incoming character as open bracket, so directly we can place it into stack, and then we have to keep all the incoming operator until we encounter closing bracket. Okay, until we can't perform any pop operation from the stack. Okay, so we can't perform pop operation from the stack until we encounter the closed bracket. For example, say if I started here, I can't perform here. I can't compare this open bracket with the plus. Okay, so I have to wait until the closed bracket comes. Okay, so until I have to keep all the operators into stack. Okay, and then when I encounter the closed bracket, pop all the operators, and we have to ignore. We can discard the open and close bracket in output. We don't need to write in output. Okay, that's it. So we can see an example. Here we go. Here we have the example: A star B plus C minus D slash E. Okay. So here is the example. It's an infix expression. Now I am going to convert this infix expression using the stack principle. I am going to convert it into postfix. Okay. So first step, after reading the expression, what you have to make is, first you have to split your page into different columns. Okay. First one is for input. Okay. And then second one, we have to consider that one as read, and then action, and then stack, and finally output. So here I have split my page into 5 different columns. Okay, so let me explain one by one, step by step. See, first step, you have to write the given expression in input. Okay, A star B plus C minus D. Okay, and then initially in first step I don't need to read any step. Okay, anything, and there is no action, and stack is null, no output. Okay, now stack is empty. So my first operation is, first I am going to read A. Okay, so I can remove A from here. So what I'm going to read, A. A is operator or operand? It's an operand. So print A. So stack is still empty now. directly I can place A into output. Then, so what is the next one? Star. So remove star from input, and I'm going to process the star here, and here it is an operator or operand. It's an operator. So what is the action I have to do? Push star into stack. So I have to push it into stack, and then output remains same. And what is the next one? B. See, I'm going to read B. B is an operand. So print B, stack remains same, and output will be, A, B. Now, so what is the next one? Next character is plus. C minus D. I'm going to read plus. Okay. Now, action is I have to push plus into stack, but in stack I already have star in my stack. I'm having star in my stack. Okay, so I have to compare plus and star. Okay, so which one have high priority? That means priority is not depends on numbers. Okay, so this one will have high priority. It has high rank. So I have to keep plus, and then here I am going to write an action pop star, and I am going to push plus and pop star. Okay. Then next I am going to read open bracket. C minus D, E, close bracket, open bracket. What I have to do? Push open bracket plus open bracket, and then output remains same. Then what I am going to read? C. Just we have, it's an open bracket. Okay, C. So it's an operand, so I am going to print C. Stack remains same, A, B star, C. Okay. Next, minus. Minus I am going to read, and then push minus into stack. I already explained you in principle. If you push the open bracket into stack, so we no need to compare any operators. Okay, but we don't have any operator. If we have the operator also, we no need to compare inside to the bracket. Okay, so directly we can push it into stack one by one. So I'm going to push minus into stack, and output remains same. Then what is the next one? Next character is D. D is an operand, so print D. Stack remains same, A, B star, C, D. Then next one will be slash, and push slash, and I have to add, because still I'm in open bracket, so I can add it next to minus. Okay, and output remains same. And then final operand is E. I'm going to read E. Still we have only close bracket. It's an operand, so I have to print. Stack remains same, and output will be C, D, E. Okay. Next, the final one is we have only closed bracket. Okay, so we have only closed bracket in input. So as per the principle, as per the algorithm, if we are going to insert closed bracket into stack, we have to pop all the operator from the stack until the open bracket encode. When we encode the closed bracket, open bracket. Okay, so here we have two operators. See, slash and minus. Okay, So first C. Okay, because of space issue, I have written the same step here. See, now we have only closed bracket. We have in input. Okay, so as per the principle, see, we have only two operators inside to open bracket. Okay, inside to the bracket. Just consider. So now input will be null. It will be empty. So I'm going to read what close operator. So push close operator into stack. Now open bracket slash and close bracket. So what we have to do? A B C D E. So as per the algorithm, pop all the. So we don't need to write exactly. Okay, just we can write directly. Pop minus and slash into output. Okay, plus A B star C D E. So last in first out. Which one comes last? Slash and then minus. Okay. Now here we don't have any step, nothing to read, and final action is, so we have only one operator left in stack. Okay, so there is no logic for that. So if we don't have anything to perform, anything to read from the input side, so we have remaining operator means directly we can perform pop operation. So we have only one operator left in our stack, so I'm going to perform pop plus, then stack will become null, then AB star C D E plus. Okay, so that's the output of the given expression. See, infix A star B plus C minus D. So the converted expression is A B star C D E slash minus plus. Okay, so this is postfix one. That's it. So that's the whole procedure. So it's just an example. In description I will give you more example. You can try with your notebook. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in comment section. And I hope you understood the logic very well. Thank you, students. We'll meet you in another video. Keep support.